It's a bad man thing. Bulaka. See.
Alright, love, so here we are with this unit by Elva Hair. If you are interested in the unit, definitely check out their information in the description box down below. And of course, don't forget to share this video. We are 4K from 20K, and I am so excited about that. I can't wait to share that moment with you guys. Like I said, I will be giving away a human hair unit and also 2 synthetic wigs. So please share the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, ring that bell so you stay notified of every single video. I will always give my 100% honest opinion on any review that I do, and that is the case with this hair. I honestly cannot tell you what this is. I don't have it off the top of my head, but I'll leave it in the video somewhere. I did bleach the knots on this unit. When I bleached the knots on this unit, there were some areas that did not take to the bleach too well, but for the most part, the hairline looks seamless. Girl, when I tell you, I'm proud of myself. I'm just gonna cut to the chase. I'm proud of myself. So this is a very beginner-friendly hairline. I did pluck it some, but it does come basically ready out the pack. If you are familiar with my channel, then you know frontal wigs, we have been a hit or miss. It's been a struggle, but your girl is learning, and I'm hoping you're learning too. Alright, I am happy with the hair. It does swell up, so I would not wear this during the summer. This is definitely a winter or a fall type of wig that I would wear. It is a little bit shorter than what I usually go for, but if I was going to do a shorter length, this is the ideal length for me. This is 180% density. Now you guys know I try to nitpick as much as I can, and with this initial review, I am really happy with this hair. It does give me that natural vibe, girl. So if you guys are interested in the unit or even checking out Elva Hair Store, definitely check their information in the description box down below. I will come back probably with a 2-week update and then I believe a month update on this hair. So if you do have any questions, if I left anything out, definitely leave a comment in the box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, share this video, share the channel, share the love. Before you go, make sure you check out the video here, and make sure you hit that subscribe button wherever it may be. And last but not least, you guys know what I say, wear it with confidence, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.